Welcome tech innovators and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're zeroing in on an essential aspect of your pitch deck, product demo slides. These slides are where your product jumps off the page and into the minds of your investors. Let's discuss the best practices for crafting product demo slides that are both informative and captivating. First up, remember the golden rule: show, don't tell. Use visuals like screenshots, photos, or even short video clips to demonstrate your product. Visuals can convey functionality and appeal far more effectively than mere descriptions. Highlight the key features of your product. Focus on what makes your product innovative and unique. Avoid getting bogged down in every detail. Prioritize showcasing features that truly set your product apart. Adopt a user-centric perspective in your demo. Present your product from the viewpoint of the user, showing how it solves problems or improves their lives. This approach helps investors see the practical value of your product. Structure your demo like a story. Lead your audience through a logical progression that highlights how your product works and its benefits. A narrative flow can make your product demo more engaging and easier to follow. Simplicity is key. Ensure your demo is straightforward and easy for anyone to understand, regardless of their technical background. Avoid technical jargon and complicated explanations. Use annotations wisely. Annotations can guide attention and succinctly explain features, but they should be used sparingly and effectively. Over-annotating can clutter your slides and distract from the main points. If possible, include interactive elements. Clickable prototypes or interactive models can make your demo more engaging and give investors a hands-on feel for your product. Ensure relevance to market needs. Tie your product features back to the market needs and your overall value proposition. This reinforces the relevance and potential impact of your product. Finally, prioritize quality visuals. High-quality professional visuals reflect the quality of your product. Poor quality images or videos can negatively impact the perceived value of your offering. Remember, product demo slides are not just a showcase of your product's features. They're an opportunity to tell the story of its potential and impact. Let's craft product demos that display your product and tell its story compellingly and memorably. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you ensure your product demos are impactful and engaging? Share your strategies or seek feedback in the comments below.